Da geht es auch schon weiter mit NHL 20 im Spengler Cup Modus. Ja, im letzten Spiel konnte ja Salvador Live Ufa den Sieg erringen, auch den Gruppensieg, beziehungsweise, ja, doch kann man sagen, Gruppensieg, und ist damit automatisch im Halbfinale. Davos muss diesen noch verdienen, und zwar im Direktduell mit Trinik, denn einer von beiden kommt noch so weit. Die Frage natürlich wer, wobei, ich glaube, es dürfte ziemlich klar sein, dass das der HC Davos sein wird, hoffentlich. Wenn ich sie spiele, gut, die sind unbedingt Garant dafür, haben wir auch schon gesehen. Aber natürlich gebe ich wieder mein Bestes. So, Spiel starten, länger 3 Minuten, immer noch Halbprofi. Ja, zuerst hatte ich im letzten Spiel ja von wegen, okay, die ersten 10 Minuten habe ich so gut gespielt, kann man danach auf Profi stellen, und dann den Rest habe ich eher ein bisschen verkackt. Auch trotzdem 4:1 Sieg, also mal abwarten, wa? Jetzt übergebe ich natürlich an meine Mitmoderatoren.
Hi everybody, alongside Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. Welcome to EA Sports. Just set to drop the puck on this opening round matchup here at the Spengler Cup, Ray.
A round-robin portion of the tournament, everybody playing for positioning before you get into the knockout stage of the tournament.
Ah, der Sandro Eschmann ist im Goal, okay. Ja, natürlich wieder Schweizerdeutsch, ganz klar. Oh, Ambi, der Bühli. Nein, ist gar nicht der Bühli gewesen.
Big time defensive play. The Steelers take it along the wall. Here he is in front. Stopped by the goaltender. Davos plays it up ahead. With possession along the wall. Misses over the net.
Hit the net. No chance to score if you don't get the
Also schlecht ist er nicht gewesen.
Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Comes up with the stop. Oh, and another big stop.
Sag mal.
Yeah, he got out tight to
Ja.
him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go. Oh, there's going to be a penalty on this play here, James.
Wenn er mich auf den falschen Spieler lotst, ist doch klar.
This was the penalty I
Warum wechselt er mich auf einen Spieler, auf den Spieler, wo hinter dem Gegner steht? Das macht doch keinen Sinn. Nur gegen dich, Enzo Corvi, bist ein super Typ und so, aber das ist jetzt einfach unnötig vom Spiel selber gewesen. Und noch der ist, der der auf dem Back ist.
And too much traffic in front blocks that one. Blocker saved by the goalkeeper. And he loses both the puck and his balance after that hit. Moves the puck. Puts it on net. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck to his chest.
Gut gemacht, Sandro. Gut gemacht.
Davos has the puck. Handles the pass in the middle. Grips it and rips it. He scores.
So.
That's a short-handed marker.
James, they took advantage of one.
Nur um einmal klare Verhältnisse aufzustellen.
Short-handed marker here. Not many goals scored on the slapper anymore, I guess just from the point on the power play. But to walk into one and hammer one is a good feeling.
Schön, schön. Ich glaube, der könnte sogar auf Profistufe reingehen.
Didn't waste much time getting going either, did they? They were on it early, and now they've got
Kleiner Powerplay.
relatively early first goal.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Moves right to the middle. Can't get it to go. Disappointing power play effort as they serve up a short-handed goal, but both teams down back to even strength.
So, Jungs, kommt.
When they get a little film on that power play. Ineffective and maybe more importantly, they give up the short-handed goal.
Davos moves ahead with the puck. Sends a pass over.
Nö.
And a smart
Oh.
heads-up read to come up
Das
with
ist
the
nicht so
puck.
geplant
He might
gewesen.
have a step here. He's in all alone. Comes up with the steal.
Davos has been aggressive as they've been up intercepting passes most of the night. The game stays close.
Nein!
Phenomenal save with the glove to knock it away.
Leider die falsche Stockseite gewählt, dem Spieler.
Wow, did the ice
Er hätte auf die andere Seite geschossen, wäre es gut gewesen.
There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Past the midway mark in this period. 1-0 the score. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone.
Was, schlechtes Timing?
Takes the feed. On the attack along the boards.
Nö.
Davos has possession of it now.
Wow.
Davos looks to
Ja.
break it in their own end. Davos
Danke.
looks to attack. Here's a chance
Nein!
in front.
Alter, der...
Denies.
Oh, den hätte ich müssen machen. Alter.
Covers up for a whistle on the play.
Der ist ja fast schon so etwas wie ein 11 Meter ohne Goalie gewesen. Oh. Alter, okay, der ist wirklich mies gewesen. Also der Abschluss, sonst Teamplay genial gewesen.
The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here.
Okay, im Bulli haben jetzt gar kein Glück mehr.
A little back and forth. Pass stolen in the open ice.
Nein, wo schiessest du denn an? Ich hätte da gar nicht den Tee willen.
Right on the doorstep.
Jungs, gehen mal in
Moves
Position.
around
Nein,
along the
das hier...
half wall. The Steelers have it against the wall. Smart read by the defender to come up with it. And now he moves it.
Nein, schon wieder.
Scooped up along the wall by Hischer.
Sag mal,
Trinich is looking to break out. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone.
so.
Scores. That's back to back, Ray.
Well, the game is
Ja, wenn es anders nicht mehr geht, musst du es halt so machen. Mann!
change the outlook.
Einfach so schnell schiessen, dass der Goalie den Schuss nicht mehr sieht. Fertig.
Everything today is the focus on being quicker, but once in a while, you get to move into a slap shot.
Okay, ich glaube, auf
And
Profi
he
hätte er ihn
powers
gehabt.
this past the goalie.
Ja, wobei auf dieser Höhe. Nimm mal darauf an, auf welcher Höhe das Schuss ist. Wenn er nicht ganz hoch oben ist, dann... Obwohl, es ist ein Schlagschuss gesehen, also...
They're in control of the game. They've dominated the period and they're getting rewarded for it.
Wow.
Oh,
Nein,
look at
das ist
that.
über...
Here we go. We got a penalty coming up
Okay.
right here.
Just wide of the net. There's the whistle, and a penalty is coming up on this one.
Ja,
Triple up,
ich
and
spiele
he's
im
off to the box
Powerplay.
score, Ray.
Reaching out for the puck to get your stick into his feet. This is the consequence.
Davos sends their man advantage unit out for the first time this evening.
They've worked on the power play a lot at practice over the last couple of days. This is their first one tonight.
Ah,
And they
Direktschuss
wanna
hätte doch nicht
execute
klappen.
what they've worked on, which is to win the draw and start moving the puck.
So.
Davos has it behind the cage.
Jungs, sammeln.
Davos with possession in their own zone.
Okay, sind alle auf ihrer Position.
Carries it across the line. Takes a shot, and there's the save. In the final moments of this period, Davos seems to be looking for more after increasing their lead to 2 goals. Puck is dropped and we are back underway.
Ja, gutes Timing. Mhm.
And
Boah, das ist nicht
manages to
gerade
clear
viel.
the zone. Davos will play it from
Wenn
behind
es
the net.
passieren, könnte es noch
To the
klappen.
center along the wing.
Mann, schon im Weg.
Tries to
Nein.
make a move and can't hang on to the puck.
You get in so close, you work so hard to get the chance. He tried one too many moves, and the puck's gone.
Well, there's the horn concluding the first 20 minutes. Time to get a clean sheet of ice. It's 2-0 after the opening frame. Pretty good start for one side, not so much for the other.
Ja,
As both teams head to their respective rooms, 2 more periods still to come. We're looking forward to it here on EA Sports.
ja, ich würde sagen, schöne Zusammenfassung, war. Für die eine Seite lief es gut, für die andere weniger gut. Ja, super. Dann direkt weiter.
Both teams are back at center ice, and we are ready to get period number 2 underway. The Steelers
Mann!
win the draw here as play resumes with the period
Eine
now
Wudi klappt gar
underway.
nicht mehr.
And just a few seconds remain on this penalty kill. Puts one on net, denied by the goaltender.
So,
Davos has it in the defensive end. Handles the puck from the left side. Denied by the blocker.
da vorne wäre
Back
er
to
schon
the
mal.
point it goes. Huge hit.
Whoa, he got rattled hard. Not only that, he
Wer hat den
dropped
Stoß
his stick.
verloren?
Now he's got to collect himself and go pick up his twig as well.
Up along the wing. Knocks the puck away in the open ice.
Dankeschön.
Takes the shot. Stopped by the goaltender.
Ja, der Winkel ist einfach zu kurz gewesen. Scheiße.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
Lots of time left in this period, and it's a 2-0 hockey game. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Over the line they come. Lets it go and makes the save.
Aus dem Winkel? Der hat noch Mut, aus dem Winkel schiessen.
Plenty of playing time left in this frame. 2-0 is where we sit. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw
Dankeschön.
here in the defensive
Whoa.
zone. Slides the cross ice pass. Here's a chance.
Hui, hui. Aua.
And that's blocked away. Shot on net and a beautiful stop by the glove.
Training wirkt irgendwie aggressiver. Aua.
Davos
Stell die
continues to lead
Checks.
here in the second period,
Finde ich nicht
doing
nett.
a nice job of getting pucks on net, and as a result, they built up this lead.
Ah, Mann.
The
Ich bin
first
nervös.
miss gets dropped and we are back underway here.
Nein, natürlich eine Strafe.
Down, the officials caught it with authority. Puts it on net. Comes up with the stop. And let's see what the
Alter,
call is.
Eschlimann, was machst du im Goal,
Is the
ey?
call? Did he sell or is that the right one in your
I
mind?
think it's the right one. He looks like he's picking up speed and the stick gets into his feet.
Ja, der Bühler ist lieber eifrig gewesen, das passiert.
The power play unit goes right back to work.
I hated giving up shorthanded goals. You're on the ice. Lots of times you're 100 feet from the puck when it goes into your own net. But they have to be much better than they were on that attempt.
Here they come on the attack. Oh, just wide.
Right in his wheelhouse, he powders it, but just misses.
Davos has possession of the puck in the offensive
Nein.
end. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Trying to shake the defender. What a stop on the breakaway. Past the halfway mark of this period, we've got a 2-0 game here tonight. Puck is dropped and we are back underway.
Ja, dann säckle doch einmal.
Comes up with the puck.
Boah, Alter.
He goes down to the ice and coughs up the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now.
Nein.
Heads deep inside the offensive zone. With the stop.
Fast wieder zu viel will er spielen.
Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. The Steelers' man advantage is over.
And nobody's going to be very happy about that
Ja,
one,
ich
James.
habe auf den Böck so
No
abnehmen.
real chances generated. No momentum
So,
game.
oh.
Just a couple of minutes roll off the clock.
Jungs, sammelt euch, sammelt euch.
Drives it to the front of the net. Trinich has got control of it now from their own end. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves the puck along the half wall. Handles the puck at the point. Stops him cold. Takes the pass. Here he is from the
Alter, ich
side.
habe jetzt im Spiel nicht mehr bewegen.
Goaltender. Puck battle along the boards. Referee signals penalty coming up here with a delayed call.
Hä?
And the official stops the play as somebody's off to the
Bühli, was
sit
machst
bin. Interference the call. Can you argue
Was
this one?
passiert?
Well, you can argue anything, James, but that's fair.
Hey.
It's an interference
Weil
penalty.
ich einen gecheckt habe um... Okay.
Power play unit going back to work.
Easiest thing in the world, James. Tell somebody else to relax. The power play hasn't scored yet.
Muss ich nicht verstehen,
They're
oder?
not relaxed, and it's not easy to do, but that's the key to success.
Carries it in. Unloads a shot. Shuts him down.
Pretty solid stop, and the puck goes into the corner to safety.
Die Situation trainiert man im Training, sage ich jetzt mal, wirklich so oft, aber sie funktioniert so selten.
Denies him in front.
He's sharp on this one, out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save.
Here in the dying moments of this period, 2-0 is the score. Offense his own face-off and he wins the draw. Takes a shot, and that goes off a player in front. Davos has the puck.
Ja, das stimmt. Davos heißt der Pack.
And a nice poke
Nicht mehr,
check inside
doch
the
wieder.
neutral zone. Takes it across the blue line. Sends the pass over. A strong
Nein!
penalty
Alter,
kill
drin müssen sie.
performance on that one, and
Alter.
both teams are now back to even strength.
You're always angry when you don't score on the power play. But that's gonna be
Natürlich schon wieder.
all that.
Penalty coming up as the whistle stops the play.
Es ist irgendwie auch ziemlich schwierig, dem Gegner den Puck im richtigen Moment abzunehmen.
Innocent on a trip.
You feel like you're innocent on most every penalty, but this one always feels like, did you really have to call it?
Gets
So.
it out of his own end. Here's an opportunity in front of the net, and that's blocked. And he loses control of the puck. And there's the wrap-up cue for period number 2. 2-0 is where we sit after 40 minutes of play.
Hey fans, now is the time to pick up your team calendars. You can pick them up at kiosk 144 on the lower level.
Big third period still to come. We'll get ready for it. Hope you'll join us.
Und schon wieder. Im zweiten Drittel ist einfach in der Wurm drin. Ich krieg keine Tore mehr rein. Verdammter Mist. So, weiter geht's.
And they are ready to drop the puck on period number 3. The Steelers win possession here as we open up the period, and that power play is still intact. Through pass ahead with the stop.
Ja, ja, es ist ein Powerplay. Da behalte ich den Puck gerne bei mir.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period, and it's a comfortable 2-0 lead we're looking at right now. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Davos moves ahead with the puck.
So ein Powerplay.
Smart
Nein!
sets up play to intercept the pass. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. Davos gains possession shorthanded. Back on a stick now. The Steelers run out of time on the man advantage. Both sides back to even strength. And here's a shot.
Oh.
Clogged up blocking that. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. Along the wing up the neutral zone.
Nein, ja nicht.
Davos gets the puck near the boards. Sends the cross ice pass. Here's a rocket of a shot. Makes the save. And the officials are calling.
Und wieder mal.
Here it looks like a trip. Let's see what the official makes for the final decision. Well, the official's going to give him 2 minutes
Einfach
to
zu
think about that one.
spät.
Yeah, you can argue for a few seconds, James, I guess, but you already know what this
Die unnötige
one's going to
Strafe immer.
Another special teams opportunity for both sides as the man advantage unit is back to work again.
Well, they get another chance here. They've earned the power play. They haven't got anything on their power plays yet. Haven't had a lot of them. but
Schade,
it's a nice
das Passspiel war
chance for
gut
them.
gewesen.
Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame, and it's a 2-0 hockey game.
Ah, Mann.
And as the
Der
puck
böse
is
Finger.
dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Into the offensive zone. Sends it across. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes a wrist shot, takes it right in the chest. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead.
Ist einfach nicht so, wie ich es gerne hätte. Es gefällt mir einfach nicht.
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the
Ernsthaft.
offensive zone. Blocked in traffic. Carries it across the line. Hammers a shot. Wow, another short-handed marker.
Well, they're not laying back at all.
Okay.
Sure, but they've seen something they can take advantage of.
Klar ist geplant
Makes the
gewesen,
coaches
aber
look smart every time. They depend on him for offense, and he
Nicht unbedingt, dass es
delivers
funktioniert.
time and time again.
hat natürlich die richtige Höhe gehabt, okay.
Davos is having one of those nights, Ray.
Sometimes it just all goes right for you. That means it doesn't go very well for the other guys as well. This has been a long night for them.
Along the half wall with the puck. Both teams back to even strength, and after giving up a short-handed goal, it's an opportunity the power play unit would probably probably sooner forget.
Well, now they got a bigger hole to dig out of. They give up the short-handed goal, a sloppy power play, and they pay for it.
Here's an offensive chance.
Nein!
Just got the puck inside the defensive zone. Davos will try to make something happen here in the offensive zone. Right in front! Into the corner of the attacking area. The Steelers will play it in their own end.
Mann!
Referee's hand shoots high in the air. Looks like we got a tripping penalty coming up. Gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Takes control of the puck. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. Let's get the
Wieder mal so
He's
unnötig.
gonna pay for it with the trip.
Oh, you're spinning with them. You're trying to get your stick into the puck lane, and you end up tripping them up.
Man denkt sich halt so, hey, ich verwünsche ihn doch noch schnell, und dann nein.
Advantage unit goes
Also,
right back
doch,
to
man
work.
verwünscht ihn, aber leider nicht der Berg, sondern der Spieler.
Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Davos looks to break out in their own end.
37 seconds.
Takes the feed. Here's an opportunity, and that one's turned away. Up the neutral zone now. Over the line they come. With possession along the wall. Takes a blast, and too much traffic in front blocks that one. Davos gets a hold of the puck shorthanded. Tries to get it out of the zone. And he gets the job done. Big thumbs up clearing that one. Trinich has got the puck. Right up the gut. Here they go. Centering pass. Both teams back to even strength. Impressive job by the penalty killers on that play.
The pressure points on the penalty kill have been letter perfect tonight. They've pushed at the right times.
Nein.
They've sagged back at the right times. Gotten the requisite saves when they need those two.
Through center along the wing. Wrist shot from the slot. The Steelers gain control of it. Here they come on the attack. Lets it go, and he comes up with it. Davos has it near the wall. Picking up some steam at center ice.
Nein, warum?
To make a move and the puck
Da wär's so schön gewesen.
Oh, he
Was?
looked like he was in a good
Abseitswarnung.
spot there. He bobbled the puck. Now he's got to find it again as he loses possession.
denies him on the play.
Really good puck control by the goalie as he gets it out of danger.
Less than 60 seconds to play in this blowout. Centered out in front, and that one's broken up. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Comes up with the steal. Up along the wing.
Ich wollte noch ein bisschen spezielleres Goal schiessen.
Here's the pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards.
Genau so was ich eigentlich wollte.
Opportunity right there.
You don't get many chances. You want to finish them off. So
Ups. Oh, Menno, wegen dem Zentimeter, also bitte.
Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Save made with the pad. The frozen biscuit.
Ich habe echt kein Glück mehr im Bulli. Aua.
Hard hit on the play.
Nein, er ist verletzt, das gibt's doch nicht. Alter, müssen wir so...
When he dropped, he also dropped his stick. Now he's got to collect himself. Looks like a yard sale out there.
Davos tries to break out from their own end, and that carries off a stick. You'll need more than that to beat him. Well, an impressive performance tonight, and they'll be rewarded for the result here, Ray.
As they win their group, now they get a bye over top of the quarterfinals and go straight to the semis. It's one less game to play, a day off, a day to enjoy.
In Davos, Switzerland, at that.
There are worse places.
And that'll do it. For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Thank you.
Tja, was soll ich dazu noch sagen? Meistens ein schönes Spiel, zum Teil aber auch nicht. Und damit zurück zum Hochdeutschen. Ja, 3:0 ist dann doch eigentlich ein schöner Sieg, den man der durchaus auch realistisch ist, also jetzt nicht zu hoch oder zu niedrig oder so, der durchaus so sein könnte. das bedeutet aber jetzt auch für die nächsten Tage, beziehungsweise dass eigentlich Salvadio Live UFA plus auch der HC Davos bereits im Halbfinale sind. Ja, und die anderen Teams, die müssen jetzt halt am 29. noch ein bisschen ran, wa? Und sich erst noch qualifizieren. Ja, Team Kanada zum Beispiel, für die ist der Tag sowieso vorbei. Das heißt, da können wir stehen, die Playoff-Paarungen stehen fest und man kann es auch so irgendwie formulieren. Genau, für sie ist der Tag ja frei. Der HC Ambripiota muss ran gegen Kanada. Ach du Scheibenkreis. Oh, das wird eklig, das wird eklig. Training muss ran gegen Turku. Turku. TPS Turku. Ja, Turku TPS, genau. Ja, würde ich mal sagen, Freunde, danke fürs Zusehen. Bis zum nächsten Mal dann mit Team Kanada gegen Ambripiota. Mal gucken, ob wir Piota da weiterschießen können und es für Team Kanada bereits das aus ist. Irgendwie würde es mich freuen, irgendwie wäre es auch ein bisschen schade. Naja, man kann nicht alles haben. Bis dahin, bye bye.